When you delete a file in Teams or SharePoint, it goes into the site recycle bin for 93 days. The same thing happens when you delete an item in a SharePoint list. In SharePoint, if you have edit permissions to the deleted files or list items, you can restore them from the recycle bin to their original locations regardless of who deleted them. Here's how it works. If you're in the Files tab in Teams, select Open in SharePoint. In the Quick Launch bar, select Recycle Bin. If you don't see the recycle bin here, select Settings, Site Contents, and Recycle Bin. Select the items or files you want to restore. On the right, you'll see the locations the files will be restored to. Then select Restore. Your list items and files are restored to their original locations.